My topic for this time is the phase changes. Phase changes typically occur when the temperature or pressure of a system is altered. When temperature or pressure increases, molecules interact more with each other. There are 8 distinct changes of phase which happens to different substances at different temperatures. Let us see in this figure 1.17. The solid will change its phase to liquid by mode of melting, and liquid turns back to solid by freezing it. Gas is from solid turned to gas by means of sublimation. Example nito is yung mga naphthalene balls natin or yung nilalagay natin na albatross sa ating CR. Yung solid albatross will decomposes to gas as time goes by, and that is called sublimation. When a gas is being turned to solid, that is called deposition. Example nito is dry ice. Dry ice is a solid form of carbon dioxide gas. By applying very high pressure in the carbon dioxide gas and yung temperature ng gas is decreases to negative value of degrees, and then yung pressure ng carbon dioxide gas is increases to a very large amount, it will turn into solid phase. The plasma naman is nag-exist siya from a gas phase because when ionization phase occurs, the plasma will be example nito is yung mga neon lights natin, aurora. Alam niyo yung aurora, yung nakikita lang sa North Pole and South Pole na different lights na parang akala mo is sumasayaw. Yan siya is an example of plasma. And also neon, yung mga fluorescent light natin na neon, that is called plasma. And from plasma, pupunta siyang gas, that is recombination because yung ions na nawala sa plasma is babalik and it will be turning into gas na. Phase diagram of water. Let me explain to you. Figure 1.18. Ito siya na phase is the solid phase. Okay? And itong blue is the liquid phase of the water. And itong orange is the gas phase of the water. Yung line na ito is in between solid and liquid. Same here, the line red here is in between liquid and gas phase. And here is in between solid and gas. Ito yung ating triple point kung saan nakikita siya sa 0.0098 degrees Celsius and 0.00603 atm. Yung ating triple point exist. Ibig sabihin sa temperature and pressure na yan, nag-exist si solid and liquid and the gas. Okay? Yan yung ibig sabihin ni triple point. Pag exceed mo, halimbawa dito is mga 0.008, mga ganyan. Pupunta kang dito sa triple point. As you go up, you are increasing the pressure, no? As you go up, you are increasing the pressure. And so, sa gas phase na to, gas and solid phase, ito siya. Or, let me explain this part here. Ito siya is gas phase. Okay? As you go up, lalaki yung pressure. So, from gas, diba, the more na pressure, the more na mag-interact yung mga molecules sa gas natin. And it will form liquid. Ito here. 0 degrees Celsius. As you go up, gas pa siya at this pressure. At this pressure of 10 in between here. Okay? Pressure ATM. As you go up, dadagdagan mo yung pressure, it will make the gas turns to solid and liquid. As you exert more temperature or more pressure, pupunta lang siya sa in between liquid and gas kasi at 1 atm and 0 degrees Celsius, the phase of the water is solid and a little liquid. Diba nakakita naman kayo ng ice? So, mamasa-masa siya kahit na solid siya. And then, punta naman tayo dito sa 100 degrees Celsius. As you go upward, ito, gas yung ating tubig. As you go up at 1 atm, yung ating gas will turn to liquid. Kasi, nag-increase ka ng pressure from that gas phase, nag-increase ka ng pressure, so yung mga molecule na nandun sa gas will compress and will become liquid as they are being compressed. So, as you go up to that point, liquid na siya talaga. So, from here to here naman, A to B naman is from solid to liquid. At 1 atm, ito yung ating pressure na sa kapaligiran ngayon, 1 atm. At 0 degrees Celsius solid siya. As you go up, as you go to the right and increase the temperature of the water, kumbaga mag-a-apply ka ng energy and in the form of heat. So, magpapakulo ka ng tubig. From solid ice, kung papakuluan mo siya, it will turns to liquid kasi dumaan siya dito sa liquid phase. So, magiging liquid siya. And after some time na ma-reach nyo yung 100 degrees Celsius, it will become liquid and solid, liquid and gas form. If we increase more energy pa at halimbawa pinabayaan mo lang yung kettle mo na kumukulo na yung tubig, magkakaroon na yan siya ng steam of gas. Yung napapansin ninyong sumisingaw na yung ating kettle, dyan na nag-exist yung gas phase ng ating tubig. At this critical point, superficial na yung ating fluid. Meaning, it is either in liquid or in gas phase. And possible is, kumaga, at this critical point is, nadidetect pa siya, pero beyond that critical point, yung liquid natin and gas will become superficial fluid na. Okay. We go to the phase diagram of carbon dioxide. Pareho lang din siya ng water. Dito is pressure and dito is temperature. So, ito is the sublimation point of carbon dioxide. Kumbaga, dito yung point na magiging solid siya or gas. Sublimation point, diba, is from solid to gas. Yung carbon dioxide, if we apply too much pressure, magiging solid siya. Kita nyo itong phase na to, solid na siya dito kasi we applied 1,000 atm and yung temperature niya is super lamig. Kaya sa phase na to, yung ating carbon dioxide is solid in the form of dry ice. Okay? As we expose this dry ice sa ating environment at 1 atm, mag-exist na dyan yung sublimation point na solid siya and at the same time gas kasi magre-release na ng gas yung ating solid carbon dioxide kasi lumuwag na yung pressure na in-apply sa kanya or in-apply dun sa molecules. Nung lumuwag yung pressure na yon, yung molecule na dun sa carbon dioxide is nag-escape and turns to gas. At this triple point, nag-exist si solid phase at si liquid phase at si gas phase at this temperature. So, itong line naman na to is the line in between sa solid and liquid phase ng carbon dioxide. So, ibig sabihin, at this phase here, yung ating carbon dioxide is in liquid form. And that is because yung carbon dioxide natin is at 100 degrees Celsius, pero hindi na siya ganun kalamig compared dun sa carbon dioxide na solid na super lamig. So, if we increase temperature kahit na the same pressure pa yan, it will make the carbon dioxide liquid na. Okay? So, here naman sa line na to is nag-exist si liquid and gas form. And it's a critical point as what I have said. Ito na yung point kung saan nagiging superficial fluid na yung ating carbon dioxide beyond this critical point. So, at critical point, nag-exist si liquid and gas na nadedetect pa. Okay, that's all. Thank you.